guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Halloween Drawings, and today we're going to go over how to draw a simple bat. I'm going to try to go over it as easy as I can possibly do it. So grab your marker. Your marker it can be anything. It can be a Faber-Castell like this. It can be a Sharpie, but just make sure to open up the window because they do have nasty, toxic smell. So watch out for your safety and health. If you need to pause the video at any point, pause it, rewind it, comment in the section, all that stuff. Let's get going. If you like Halloween though, hit that like button and let's get moving. So I'm gonna draw upturned U, another upturned U, another upturned right there, upturned U, and I'm gonna pull out, and I'm gonna throw very simple U shapes as well for the wing. Same thing on the other end. One more here and let them meet at the middle. I'm gonna throw beady eyes. And then all you need to do right here is fill in this entire shape. Just fill it in. And that's pretty much it. Just keep it with that U shape. Put some eyes to let it know that it's alive. You can throw some fangs in there if you like as well. Or you can even put no eyes. That's another thing that people do. But I'm mostly just filling it in. And I think that's the easiest way you can really draw a bat, honestly. Just stick to those U shapes, like I said, and make it a bold form. Just make it a bold form, and you'll be well off. That's pretty much it. I tried to make that as simple as possible. Hopefully it was. Comment in the section below if you want what you want to see from this channel. I'm going to be posting a video every single day during Halloween, and that's pretty much it. Also, don't forget, pick up this sketchbook. I'm going to have it in the link in the description. It's a commemoration of things that have gone on in my art career and is specifically designed for people that love Halloween art, love concept art, and monster art. And it's a sketchbook that I will not post anywhere. And it's something that a lot of people have been asking for, and I delivered. And just go check out the description in the link. I'm sorry, check out the link in the description for a little bit more about this book. But thank you guys, and I will see you next time.